Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Sarkar Naukri Express. Here you can get regular verified government job updates. For instant notifications, kindly subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. The most awaited Central Bank of India notification has been out now. The recruitment notification has been issued for the year of 2022 and 2023. So the application end date was by 17th December 2021. This is the official notification released by Central Bank of India for the post of specialist officers. The total number of vacancies called for the recruitment was about 115 and it is split according to the cost criteria of reservation basis. The various education background called for the recruitment are about economics, maths, engineering, MBA and MSc. When it comes to age criteria, the minimum age for recruitment was about 20 and the maximum age was about 45, and the relaxation for the age has been varied from 5 years to 3 years according to the cost criteria. When it comes to pay scale, it was around 63,000 to 1 lakh per month. So it is varied according to the various management scale levels. You will be recruited through a online written test followed by a personal interview. Those persons who are getting passed in the online written test will be eligible for the personal interview process. So in the online examination, you will have three streams of questions which will be asked. One is your subject specific category questions, which is having the higher percentage of marks, followed by the computer knowledge and the banking knowledge. Kindly keep in mind there is a penalty of marks of about 0.25 marks per wrong questions. When it comes to application fee, it was about 175 rupees plus GST for a scheduled caste as well as scheduled tribe candidates, and all other candidates will have about 850 rupees plus GST, and the GST was about 18%. And this is the deadlines given by Central Bank of India for this particular recruitment. So the online registration will be started by 23 November of this month. So you have to keep in mind that the November 23 only the application will be opened. So yet now the application has not been opened right now, so don't confuse yourself that the application was not been in the website. Since it is a authentic information, we are only providing the verified authentic information. So and the online registration process will be started by 17th of December, and the call letter for the test will be uploaded on 11th of January tentatively, and the online examination will also be held on January 22nd. So the recruitment process will be finished within about a 3 months span of time. So I request the candidates who are applying for this examination kindly prepare well and get through the examination and come up with flying colors. So it will make us motivated and make us to work beyond the yardstick. When it comes to educational qualifications, the technical things have been given along with the age criteria. As I said before, the age criteria was varied according to the various departments specifications, and the minimum experience has also been notified here. So let me attach this PDF in the description box. Kindly download it and keep it for your reference. Once the application process will be started from 23 November of this month, apply as soon as possible and prepare for the examination. Kindly share the video with your friends who is in need of job with the eligible qualification. Kindly let us know your feedback in the comment section to improve us, and kindly support us to grow by subscribing our channel. Thanks for watching.